In this video, we are going to see how we can change language to something else. Let's say that your default language is United States English and you want to search or convert it into French, Arabic, and so on. All you have to do is just head over to the YouTube studio, or even you don't have to even switch to the YouTube studio. You can be in your normal regular YouTube channel and you click on this top right hand corner where you see this profile icon. And from here, you can see that the displayed language is currently set to English. You want to change that, click on this, and you have a variety of options that you can switch it to. So for example, I want it to be converted into French. I just converted it. You just click on this and immediately your language around YouTube will be converted for every single area. Once you want to switch it back, you can click on the profile icon again, and this is the sign of the language. You can click on it and you can choose English United States again, and that is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.